With the chance to earn a significant amount of money through cryptocurrency, you might be looking into simple ways to amass cryptocurrency for yourself. While cryptocurrencies are often volatile, they can provide much greater rewards than traditional investment ventures. For example, in April 2021, Bitcoin reached a then high of $64,863, and on November 10, 2021, it topped that figure with a new all-time high of $68,950. When Bitcoin was first released in 2010, it cost roughly $0.0008 to purchase a single Bitcoin. So, while the prices of Bitcoin and many other cryptocurrencies have skyrocketed, it's still possible to get cryptocurrencies completely free. That said, cryptocurrency is extremely volatile. In fact, recently the cryptocurrency market had a major crash, but that's no skin off your back if you buy your crypto for free. But if you are interested in why cryptocurrency crashed going into 2022 and why I'm doing about it, be sure to check out my video below. In any case, here is Money Done Right's guide to the 23 best ways to get free cryptocurrency without mining. How does cryptocurrency work? While cryptocurrency may sound complex, and in many facets it is, the idea of cryptocurrency is actually rather simple. Rather than a centralized form of physical currency, cryptocurrency is a digital peer-to-peer currency that is tracked through a public digital ledger. This public ledger is called a blockchain, and one of the most common ways to earn cryptocurrency is to mine the blockchain. This mass running ledger is encrypted to secure user data and to secure the entire system. Cryptocurrency can be used just like any other form of currency. It is simply housed digitally rather than being physically printed and minted. You also have the opportunity to invest in cryptocurrency through cryptocurrency exchanges, which are similar in some respects to stock exchanges. Rather than storing, receiving, and transferring money through a traditional bank, however, digital wallets are used to make these digital transactions. These wallets secure cryptocurrencies, make online transactions streamlined, and even give you access to the public ledger, the basics of mining. Every cryptocurrency transaction made is added to the ledger queue. Before it makes it onto the public ledger, each transaction needs to be validated. Miners use software to validate the transactions in sets, which are called blocks. When a block of transactions is completed, miners work to validate the data as quickly as possible. The first miner to verify the data receives a cryptocurrency reward. The verified block is then added to the public ledger, creating a chain of blocks that make up the ledger, which is where the term blockchain comes from. The entire system is encrypted, and the transactions are validated when the encryption is solved by mining software. Using a keyword, a string of numbers that only a specific keyword can produce, called a hash, and a randomly generated number, advanced mining software works to validate all transactional data before any other user. Before the rise of the cryptocurrency market, it was possible to mine from your home computer and earn a lot of cryptocurrency profitably. As prices skyrocketed, more and more miners began competing for crypto, and more transactions began occurring all over the world. Now, it would take years for a home computer to validate just one block of transactions. This has caused many miners to rely on expensive hardware, as well as mining software through cloud-based applications. That said, there are some cryptocurrencies you can mine without the use of expensive equipment, such as helium. How to get free cryptocurrency without mining? If mining sounds too complex, we're here to show you a few simple ways to get free cryptocurrency. You don't need to invest in an expensive crypto mining right, and you don't need to be a cryptocurrency expert to get free cryptocurrency like this. Here are our top 23 ways to get free cryptocurrency without mining. Note, we update this page on a daily basis as opportunities come and go, so be sure to bookmark it and check it often. 1. Get crypto sign-up bonuses. The quickest way to get free cryptocurrency is to get sign-up bonuses from cryptocurrency exchanges. Similar to stock market bonuses, you need to deposit or trade a certain dollar amount within the platform within a certain period of time in order to be eligible for the bonus. In the table below, we've compiled the best ways to get cryptocurrency sign-up bonuses as of January 2022. The SoFi one is particularly interesting because there is no deposit required if you use our link to sign up for a SoFi Invest account and then use your $5 in rewards to set up a SoFi crypto account. That said, if you do add at least $100 deposit, you can use this other link to sign up directly for SoFi Invest, and you will get a $25 stock bonus that you can sell and redeem for crypto. 2. Watch videos on Coinbase Earn. Coinbase is one of the largest cryptocurrency exchanges in the world. It has recently rolled out a section of its site called Coinbase Earn that allows you to earn free cryptocurrency simply by watching educational cryptocurrency videos. So not only are you getting free crypto, but free education as well. Note that CoinMarketCap also has an earn feature, but I found it to be a bit clunkier than Coinbase's. 3. Get free NFT. While non-fungible tokens, NFTs, are not technically cryptocurrencies, they are crypto-adjacent, and people are making life-changing money with them. Of course, most NFT don't sell for millions of dollars, but I have personally made a few $1,000s flipping NFT. Some NFT projects have invite bonuses in which the project's creators will give away an NFT to the top 5 or 10 people who invite the most people to the project's Discord. Now, if this all sounds like too much work for you, here's an easy way to get a chance at free NFT. Just search for NFT giveaway on Twitter, and you'll see countless giveaway opportunities like the one below that generally require you to follow a certain Twitter account and retweet one of its tweets for a chance to win an NFT. If you like to stay up to date on these opportunities, follow me on Twitter, where I post and retweet free cryptocurrency and NFT promotions. That said, as with all things in cryptocurrency, be wary of scams. There are some Twitter accounts out there that claim to give away NFT but are just lying for clout. I would actually recommend having one burner wallet that you use to purchase NFT and involve yourself in giveaways and another wallet where you store your NFT and cryptocurrencies. 4. Apply for the BlockFi credit card. Cryptocurrency exchange BlockFi recently released the BlockFi Rewards Visa Signature credit card. This card offers 1.5% back in Bitcoin on every single purchase, and it has no annual fee. You will also earn 3.5% back in Bitcoin during your first 3 months of having the card up to $100 worth of Bitcoin, and will earn 2% back in Bitcoin for every purchase over $50,000 annually. Also, if you trade cryptocurrency through BlockFi, you will earn 0.25% back in Bitcoin on all eligible trades. The card also comes with a Refer a Friend bonus of $30 for every friend you refer who is approved for the card. You can click here to see if you're approved with no impact on your credit score. 5. Participate in cryptocurrency referral programs. Cryptocurrency programs are available to those who are part of crypto exchange sites, and if you currently hold crypto, you're more than likely already a part of one of those exchange sites. These exchanges often have a referral program, much like an affiliate program. When you get others to sign up using your referral link, you can earn free crypto or other rewards. Users have to complete specific actions, typically a minimum number of transactions, or buying and selling a minimum amount on the exchange, in order for you to earn your referral reward. Using an exchange's referral program is one of the easiest ways for you to earn cryptocurrency for free, with very little involvement needed on your end. Remember to always go through secure, safe exchanges to avoid common scams. All of the exchanges below have referral programs that you can participate in. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also, subscribe to our channel before you go. Thank you for watching.